Good medical morning. This is Watson, showcasing some of my favorite dilated pores, including this one from Dr. Lawrence Green. By the way, we're celebrating 85,000 followers on Instagram, so follow us at Greatest Medical. There's a link below. It helps to follow as Instagram suppresses pimple popping searches, so you have to follow our page to get all the pops. Here's one of my favorite dilated pores that I've seen in a while. Thank goodness for gloves. This one comes from Jennifer Meadows. We licensed it from her years ago. You may have seen it before, but it is still a classic. Also check out the YouTube channel titled Like You. They provide amazing pimple popping content like this. Well, that was fun. Make sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell for all our updates. And thanks again for watching. Hey there, Pimple Popper fans. If there's one thing we learned, it's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below.